Expat Roasters by WHAstudio in Surabaya, Indonesia. Situated on a narrow plot, this four-story project faces a unique challenge with its 6m x 25m façade stretching 31m deep. Conventional architectural typology would rely on artificial lighting, but the essence of a successful coffee shop, abundant natural light and easy horizontal flow, contradicts this notion. The coffee shop is envisioned as a place for extended stays, blending socializing, work, and dining, thus demanding a warmly inviting ambience. The design employs a strategic arrangement of oblique concrete and mesh boxes interwoven across the site. A central void, illuminated by natural light penetrating through the main space, breaks through the vertical mass. Within this void, vibrant greenery, including trees and hanging plants, harmoniously coexists with a 25m tall mirror wall, infusing the cafe with a tropical and outdoor ambience. The green void takes center stage, acting as the heart of the space from which every program radiates. In the primary dining area, double-height steel mesh boxes elegantly frame the space, with an artificial skylight enhancing the illusion of an outdoor setting. The cafe's first two floors are thoughtfully dedicated to the dining area, offering various seating configurations. From the more typical bench tables to communal circular tables and island seating, these variations foster diverse social interactions among our guests, thereby creating distinct spatial experiences. Nestled in between, a half-mezzanine level discreetly houses service programs such as the office and kitchen. The third floor caters to specialized uses, including a meeting room and a coffee brewing training room. The fourth floor, designed as a flexible room, holds potential for future expansion, ensuring adaptability. The design embraces a unique blend of natural and industrial aesthetics, with exposed concrete and rugged steel beams at its core. Hints of green from the terrazzo flooring and abundant greenery infuse the space, forming a harmonious alliance between the industrial and the natural. The cafe exudes an industrial aesthetic while ingeniously incorporating elements of the outdoors, a conscious effort to bring the outside environment inside. The project is a testament to our aspiration to create an urban oasis, a hub for coffee enthusiasts, nestled within the bustling city.